What's the good price to start with your service bureau fee? It depends on how much value and how much, to me, and this is how I do mine, how much value and how much you're going to invest into your service bureau. I've heard so many numbers. I've heard so many things. That's a hard question, but just to, I mean, I don't care. My service bureau fees range anywhere from $50 to $79. And that's me. I don't know what everybody else do, but I invest a lot. My people on here, they know. Like last year, I invested for them to learn how to do tax resolution. Ambrea did the same thing. I'm going to have your SOPs. I just, launched a CRM. This year, they're going to learn bookkeeping. And those people have to be paid. And not only I have a tax summit at the end of the year that I pay for the speakers. I pay for my team. They don't have to pay for anything, but I do put money back in there. So it's hard. There is no right or wrong service bureau fee. I've heard so many different numbers, but I wanted to point it out today. There is no right and there is no wrong service bureau fee.
Same thing. In the industry, depending on where what software is being co-branded, right? Because there are different softwares that you can choose from in this industry, right? So the particular software that I utilize, that we both utilize, right? The service bureau fee, it's matter who you are, what's going on, right? So again, like she said, they're going to give you that value, right? You want to make sure whatever your service bureau fee is, at the end of the day, you're getting that value. And 9 times out of 10, that individual is putting that money literally right back into educating you and, being there to support you, because it takes a team, it takes a village to do all of this. Like, it takes, we both have, we have a team, right? Sometimes, like, I remember one day I called Rosie, I was like, friend, you make it so easy. I'm over here drowning. Help me, please. Seriously, I'm like, what do you, like, help me? And she did. She honestly did. Definitely proud to say I enrolled in my friend's mastermind, and she helped me get my team where my team needed to be. We had to restructure, we had to redo some things, and literally that's how that went. She was like, well, Ambrea, I have this mastermind. I said, how much is it? She said, I said, send me the link right now. Send me the link right now. Amex ready, friend. Let's when can we hop on the call? Because I need your help. And that's another thing, support, right? Support. We're friends. I have no problem investing in anything that she has going on. Same thing with me. We both help each other. So that's important. And I'm very, very thankful for that.